Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. And today I will talk to you about PCB, or printed circuit board. And before I explain more, please introduce myself. My name is NURIYATUL, and now I'm college student at Polytechnic Negeri Semarang. And what is PCB? PCB are the board that are used as the base in most electronics. PCBs are most commonly made out from fiberglass, and there are several types of PCBs. Number one is single layer PCBs. Number two, multi-layer PCBs. And then double layer PCBs. I will explain about how to make circuit at PCBs. Check this out.
Usually, if you are looking for a PCBs at electronics store, you will have a PCB like this, single layer PCBs. Then, we must cut it. If you need a small circuit, the size approximately 3 times 5 cm. Actually, the size of PCB is 10 times 20 cm, but you can cut it whatever you want. Make a circuit at application in computer or laptop. Applications like Eagle, Proteus, every circuit, and else. If it is done, you can print use an ivory paper. Then, you can iron the print to the PCB. Please be careful. It takes a few minutes, approximately 10 until 15 minutes. Dissolve into the solvent between ferric chloride and hot water. Drill the PCBs to put the components like resistor, capacitor, inductor, and else. Then, solder the PCB.
Okay guys, that's overall I want to say today, and you can practice this at home, but remember, be careful, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.